Premium engineering steel products for global manufacturing industries. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today we introduce our comprehensive range of premium engineering steel products designed to meet the demanding requirements of industries worldwide. Whether you manufacture automotive components, bearings, gears, shafts, forgings, heavy machinery, wind turbines, railway equipment, oil and gas components, aerospace parts, or industrial machinery, selecting the right engineering steel is the foundation of quality, safety, durability, and performance. Through our worldwide network of qualified manufacturing partners, URGS International supplies high quality cast blooms, billets, roll bars, heat treated bars, round corner squares RCS, and bright bars in accordance with international standards and customer specific requirements. We are metallurgical consultants. We provide consultancy additionally to our clients. Now let us explore our complete product portfolio. Let us see why engineering steel matters. Engineering steels are not ordinary carbon steels. Please keep this in mind. They are specially developed to provide high strength, excellent toughness, wear resistance, fatigue resistance, superior machinability, heat treatment capability, corrosion resistant for selected grades, long service life. These properties are essential for components operating under heavy loads, high temperatures, cyclic stresses, and demanding environments. Choosing the correct steel grade significantly improves product reliability and operational efficiency. Now our product range. URGS International supplies a comprehensive range of engineering steel products including cast blooms. Here we have below available sizes: 250 by 20 mm, 250 by 250 mm, 200 by 200 mm, 160 by 160 mm, 130 by 130 mm. These are ideal for forging, rolling mills, heavy engineering, and customized manufacturing. So these are the sizes, okay, available with us for cast blooms. Rolled bars available in round bars, diameter range 20 mm to 152 mm, suitable for machining, forging, shafts, gears, and automotive applications. Round corner square RCS, diameter 20 mm to 152 mm, widely used in forging and precision engineering industries. Heat treated bars available in annealed and sporized anneal condition, ideal for precision machining and further heat treatment. Bright bars available from 18 mm to 118 mm diameter. Bright bars offer better dimensional accuracy, excellent surface finish, improved machining performance, perfect for CNC machining and precision components. Bearing steels, typical grades: SAE 52100, EN31, 100 CR6. These steels are specially designed for ball bearings, roller bearings, bearing rings, precision rotating components. Key advantages include excellent hardness, superior wear resistance, high fatigue strength, long service life. Industries served include automotive, industrial equipment, wind energy, railways, and precision engineering. Boron steels. Typical grades include SAE 15, B41, 20 MN CRB5B, 27 manganese chromium B5, SAE 10 B35. These steels provide excellent hardenability after heat treatment. Applications include fasteners, agriculture equipment, transmission components, automotive parts, forgings. Boron steels enable manufacturers to achieve higher strength while maintaining excellent toughness. Carbon and high manganese steels. Grades include EN15, EN15A, SAE 1541, 20 manganese 2, 37 manganese 2, ST 52.3, A105, E355JR, S235JR, These steels provide excellent machinability, good weldability, high strength, excellent forming properties. Common applications include structural components, shafts, flanges, hydraulic cylinders, construction machinery, industrial equipment. Now, chrome manganese steels. Popular grades include 16 Mn manganese Cr5, 20 Mn Cr5, 18 Mn Cr5, 35 Cr Mn5. These grades are extensively used for automotive gears, transmission components, pinions, heavy duty shafts. They offer excellent carburizing response, high surface hardness, outstanding fatigue resistance. Now, chrome moly steels. Grades include EN19, SAE 4140, 42 CR MO4, SCM 420H, ETN 22, ETN 25. These steels are among the world's most widely used engineering alloy steels. Applications include oil and gas, heavy equipment, forgings, power plants, automotive components, pressure equipment. Benefits: high tensile strength, excellent toughness, superior heat treatment response, long fatigue life. Now, chrome moly nickel steels. Popular grades include SAE 8620, EN 353, EN 24, 17 CR nickel moly 6, SAE 4340, 34 CR nickel MO6. These premium alloy steels are ideal for aircraft components, automotive gears, heavy duty shafts, mining equipment, wind turbines, industrial gearboxes. Their outstanding combination of toughness, wear resistance, and hardenability makes them suitable for highly critical applications. Now, chrome nickel steels. Grades include 17 CR nickel 6, 19 CR nickel 5, 16 CR nickel 4, EN 352. Applications: transmission gears, automotive components, precision mechanical parts. These steels provide excellent case hardening characteristics and superior fatigue strength. Chrome steels. Grades include EN 18, 41 CR4, 40 CR4, 40 CR4B, 15 CR3. Chrome steels are widely used in forgings, machinery, power transmission, industrial shafts, heavy engineering. Now, plain carbon steels. Popular grades: EN8, EN9, 45 C8, SEE 1045, SAE 1050, CK45. These versatile steels are suitable for shafts, pins, axles, machine components, general engineering applications. They offer excellent machinability and cost-effective performance. Microalloyed steels. Grades include C70S6, 38 Mn, SI VS6, 38 Mn, manganese VS5, 35 Mn, B4Ti titanium. These steels often eliminate the need for heat treatment while maintaining excellent mechanical properties. Ideal for automotive forgings, connecting rods, crankshafts, heavy engineering. Now, free cutting steels. Grades: EN 8M, SAE 1144, SAE 1141. Designed specifically for high speed CNC machining, automotive screw machines, precision machine manufacturing. Benefits: excellent chip formation, reduced machining time, higher productivity, superior surface finish. Now, spring steels. Popular grades include EN 45A, SOUP 9, SOUP 11A, 50 CR V4, 50 CR V4, SAE 9254, 60 SI 7. Applications: suspension springs, leaf springs, coil springs, railway springs, industrial springs. These steels offer exceptional elasticity, fatigue resistance, long service life. Special and customized grades. URGS International also supplies EN41B, SA18 1M, SA350 LF2, F11, F22, F12, and numerous customized grades manufactured according to customer specifications and international standards. We can manufacture numerous grades, okay, as per the client's specifications and international standards. Our manufacturing partners can develop steel compositions to satisfy unique engineering applications. Okay, so now why choose URGS International? URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is your trusted global sourcing partner because we offer wide range of engineering steel products global manufacturing partner network all over the world, international material standards, customized steel grades, consistent product quality, competitive pricing, factory dispatch. We can dispatch directly from the factory to the client location. Third party inspection support, material testing and certification, worldwide supply capability anywhere around the world. Technical assistance in material selections. We have a team of experienced metallurgical consultants. We serve industries including automotive, oil and gas, power generation, railway, aerospace, mining, heavy engineering, construction equipment, wind energy, industrial machinery, forging and machining industries. At last, closing, the quality of every engineered component begins with the quality of its raw material. Please keep this in mind. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we are committed to supplying world-class engineering steel products that meet the highest international quality standards and support manufacturers across the globe. Whether you require cast blooms, billets, rolled bars, bright bars, sheet-treated bars, or special alloy steels, our experienced team is ready to deliver reliable material solutions tailored to your requirements. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are available 24/7 on WhatsApp. Please contact us for any query through WhatsApp. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights on engineering materials, metallurgy, inspection, testing, certification and industrial training. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to becoming your trusted partner for premium engineering steel solutions worldwide.